Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to use the on-screen magnifier on your Samsung Galaxy Chromebook Go. You can enable a full-screen magnifier by pressing Ctrl, Launcher button, and M, then click Keep it on to continue using it. To disable it, press the same combination again. To enable the docked magnifier, press Ctrl, Launcher, and D, then click Continue. To adjust magnifier settings, go to the Control Center in the bottom right corner. Select Settings, scroll down to Accessibility on the sidebar, and choose Display and Magnification. Here you can enable the full screen or docked magnifier, change zoom level, and set whether it follows words read by Select to Speak or Chromebook's focus. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please consider subscribing to the channel, leave a like, and I'll see you in the next one.